as a tea drinker, I'm always looking for some added benefits. And I stumble across Vitacup, and they make this slim tea. This is the 24 pack. So of course, single serve. This is what it comes with. And they say it's got that, it's got a acai or acai, however you want to say it. So it's got that little fruity finish, which I'm sure I'm going to enjoy. So this is what it looks like. This is a single serve, and we're going to add some hot water. The really cool thing about this is that they also say you can use it with cold water. If you go to the gym and bring it in a cold water environment, no problem whatsoever. If you want to get some refreshment there, let's mix it up. If you could smell what I'm smelling, definitely smelling those berries. Really, really nice. It's unlike any tea that I've ever had. Yeah, fruity finish, really nice. I can imagine this being a regular staple in my tea drinking every night. So there you go, by Vitacup, the Slim Tea.